Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to make delicious and easy donuts instantly at home. These are super soft, fluffy, and the dough gets ready in less than 5 minutes. So let's get into the recipe. To make the donuts, I've taken 2 cups of flour in a bowl. To this, let's add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, an egg, two tablespoons of softened butter, and let's give it a mix. And adding some milk gradually, let's make it into a smooth dough. I used about little less than 1/4 cup of milk. Once it has been kneaded to a smooth dough, let's flatten using a rolling pin. It has to be flattened a bit thick and not too thin. I'm using a glass and a piping tip to cut out the donuts. So now let's fry the donuts one by one in hot oil. The oil need not be too hot. It has to be slightly at a lower temperature. So as you can see, the oil is bubbling gently. Now once they're dropped in oil, let's flip it once so that the dough on both sides are cooked slightly. Also keep in mind to flip them once in a while so that the inside of the donut is evenly cooked and the outside is brown evenly. Now let's drain the donuts of the excess oil and transfer to a plate. For making the chocolate glaze, I am using the double boiling method, where I have taken a steel bowl with boiling water, over which I have kept a glass bowl with some chocolates. So here I have taken dark chocolate and white chocolate, since I do not like the bitter taste of dark chocolate. Once melted, let's dip the donuts in circular motion so that the donuts have an even finish on the top. After which, I'm going to put some sprinkles over it, making it colorful. I have taken another donut to dip in the chocolate, which I am going to be topping with some white chocolate. Use your own creativity to decorate the donuts. The donuts can be also dipped in white chocolate and topped with some dark chocolate. It will also look good. I also made a typical donut glaze, which is of powdered sugar and butter, and also cinnamon sugar with powdered sugar and cinnamon powder. So I've added those details in the description. Please feel free to use any glaze as per your choice. So here we have our soft and fluffy donuts that can be made instantly. So let's open one of them. I'm so happy with the texture, being an easy recipe. Hope you will try this at home and share it with your friends and family. Please give a like if you like this video, and if you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also pour in your valuable suggestions. And if you have tried any of my recipes, please let me know. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye from Esme.